Give your shapeless shrubs a helping hand with the 24-volt IONMAX Cordless Handheld Hedge Trimmer from Sunjoe. Perfect for a quick trim or touch-up to tame overgrown bushes, Sunjoe is designed for easy, one-handed operation for the ultimate in cordless convenience. The included 2 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides up to 75 minutes of whisper-quiet, eco-friendly rechargeable runtime around the yard and garden, or anywhere power is at a premium. Just insert the IONMAX universal battery, power up, and put your yard back in shape. Sunjoe is cord-free and maintenance-free, so you can get your trimming task done without having to worry about gas, oil, tangled cords, costly seasonal tune-ups, or toxic emissions. The rugged 7-inch steel blades easily slice through twigs, leaves, brush, and branches up to 3/10 of an inch in diameter for a crisp, clean, and precise cut every time. Lightweight and portable at just 3 pounds, Sunjoe provides all the power and ease of a heavy-duty hedge trimmer with the comfort and control of a handheld machine. So when the hedges are out of hand, cut the cord and go with Joe, the 24-volt cordless handheld hedge trimmer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.